Hello members of Tambol Math class. In this tutorial, I am going to show you how you can find the integral of this particular function without necessarily undergoing partial fractions, because eventually it is going to lead you to that partial fraction. I saw this method on Black Pen Red Pen's channel, very incredible. Then I decided to change the function entirely because I could remember he has 1 here and this power was 5. There is no coefficient here, and there's a plus here, and there's no coefficient here. So I decided to twist it and see whether it works. And God so kind, it works. And it only works on a function where the degree here is 1, please. It has to be 1. And there is no any function at the top. So let's see how it works. You're going to factor out the highest degree at the denominator. So you have, let me come here, the integral of 9 divided by, if you factor out x to the power of 7, inside here you have 2 left, minus 3, x divided by x to the 7 is x to the negative 6 dx. Next, you can take this one up to the numerator. The sign will change. You have 9x to the negative 7 this time around, divided by 2 minus 3x to the negative 6 dx. Now, substitution. Let u be equal to the denominator, 2 minus 3x to the negative 6. Differentiate both sides. Du is equal to the derivative of constant is 0. If you differentiate this, negative 6 will multiply negative 3, you have positive 18. Then x, you subtract 1, you have negative 7. So this negative 7 will always correspond to this negative 7, the powers there. But the problem is, can you see that 9x to the negative 7 dx is what we have at the numerator, but this is 18. So you can do a kind of compensation here. You can mentally multiply this by 2. That will change it to 18. But you have to divide by 2. That is compensation. So you can see that this is 18x to the negative 7 dx. This is dx, sorry, which is equivalent to du, right? So the top, 1 over 2 is already outside. The integral of du to the top. But remember, we have set the bottom to be u. All right, so what is the integral of this is what? Natural log of the absolute value of u. 1 over 2, natural log of the absolute value of u plus the constant of integration. But what is u? U is 2 minus 3x to the negative 6. Finally, 1 over 2, natural log of the absolute value of 2 minus 3x to the negative 6. Yeah, plus the constant of integration. And hence, this is the solution to this problem.